reliable AI starts with reliable data, and making data governance more important than ever in today's world. So as OT data becomes a high value target for training AI models, how should organizations rethink data governance when AI enters the OT environment?
Yeah, I mean, it is a difficult question to answer really because there's so many ways that you could probably approach this. And if we look at big data programs, I mean, big data's been around for these programs have been around for quite some time, and they will remain to be. Although we've found a new use with AI, I suppose, for that data, right? Many companies were hoarding terabytes and terabytes of data with no real understanding of what they needed it for, but with some sort of kind of thought that it may be useful at some point in the future. I mean, ultimately, it, it's only as trustworthy as the data that it learns from. What I mean by that is AI. If an organization invests in model governance, but they neglect data governance, they're not building on very solid foundations. I mean, my first priority would be understanding what data we're collecting, where it comes from, who owns that data, and how it will be used. I mean, we have strong governance practices around IT data, but much less visibility in the OT space, um, which can include some sensitive operational processes and configurations and product information. So we really need to kind of understand what we're doing with that and what the end goal is. Unfortunately, it's still quite early days in comparison to our IT brethren. But yeah, it's all about building that reliable foundation from a data governance perspective, best practices essentially. That does translate very well, to be completely honest, from IT.